new and insane feature for the Higgsfield AI. So here you can see basically what you can do. You can write and draw something that will happen in the video as it's basically shown. So let's see. So here you can see change the color of the dress to white, and it basically changes to white. A car crashes into a vegetables. Merchant gets scared. So this looks insane, and there are so many things that you can do, and so many examples. For example, tomato crashes, splashes the helmet, and I will basically show you how easy it is. The best part about Higgsfield AI is that you can basically choose from these video models, which are Minimax, VEO3, and Seedance Pro. And what you have to do is go on this link. The link will be in the description as well, and I will show you the full tutorial how you can basically make this happen. So here is an image of me from Instagram, and what you can do, you can basically choose Minimax Halo 02 Fast, which will basically cost you only 5 credits, or you can use Seedance Pro 4 credits. What I will do, I will use VEO3 Fast, which will cost me 80 credits, but this will look more fun and I will be able to add voice. But here, so basically you can choose color, and let's add some stuff. So you basically can choose this tool. It will make a great square, and then you can choose this arrow, draw the arrow like this. Then you choose the text option and just write, for example, tomato hits the face. So what can we add more? So this will be VEO3. This will be looking quite nice. So let's write here, a lion appears right here. The man screams, "Oh, good Lord, what is happening?" So let's check if this AI will understand that this will be the voice prompt. So lion appears right here. Tomato hits the face. Let's basically generate, and these are all the tools. You can basically draw as well. You can delete, you can square, you can write text, and you can basically draw or arrow. So let's generate, and this will most likely take around 3 minutes, maybe more, because there are some advanced things happening right here. So yeah, let's check what the AI will come up with. And here you can see it is basically creating. Here you can see. So the video is ready. Let's just press play.
Oh, good Lord, what is happening?
So this looks quite insane because camera actually zooms in. He tells the text what he has had to say. A lion appears. But overall...
Oh, good Lord, what is happening?
I mean, the best part is that camera actually moves slightly, creates a new scene basically. So this is actually really, really great. But again, it cost me 80 credits. This is the first thing that I drawed. So tomato hits the face and massive hornet flying. And here's the video. So you can see why this basically cost me only 5 credits, because this wasn't VEO3. This is not as realistic, but still looks quite funny, and you can do stuff and just have fun. Again, you can just go on Higgsfield AI profile on Twitter. The link will be in the description as well. And yeah, this is only available on Higgsfield right now. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly, and you don't miss out on AI news, AI alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.